Yellow. It's not too bad. Doja Boy doing what Doja Boy does. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Missy and you are so welcomed here. I hope you go down and hit the subscribe button and stick around for all of the fun things that are about to come. We got Thanksgiving, we got Christmas, we got decor, we got shopping hauls, we have decorating, and we have tablescapes all coming. So I popped in to the Dollar Tree and the Dollar General real quick, and I thought I would share my little sweet haul with you guys. First, I'm going to start with the Dollar General because I only picked up literally 3 things. My Dollar General was like, they had boxes everywhere, so I can tell like there's going to be a lot of Christmas decor, but they didn't have it out. But the few things that they did have out were really, really cute. So I bought 2 things. And then I bought a fall thing too. I keep telling myself, Missy, no more fall things. But I still pick up fall things. But when I saw these, I was like, oh my gosh, these are so cute. So it says Warm Winter Wishes, has the cute little bow with the faux pine and stuff on it. I thought these were super cute. And they had another one, it said Let It Snow. They had a couple different designs, but I really loved this one because after Christmas I can still kind of keep this out because it doesn't necessarily scream Christmas, but it'll be cute. And it was $3, which I thought was a great price for these. And these are easy to DIY too. So I was even thinking that, you know, after Christmas, like you can undo all of this. You can paint all of this over, and then you can do your own, like I could put Missy, Jeff, Savannah. I could do something with this. My slider is open because it's a beautiful day. We're trying to get some breeze in the house. And of course, as soon as I start to do a video, all the cars come home. So if you hear cars, it's just my neighbors. But I thought this was really cute for $3. And it's the perfect size too for a tier tray, I think. I think this would look really cute like at the bottom of a tier tray. So I really, really, really liked that. And then I picked up this, which was $5, but it's a lace table runner. So I want to see, it says it's 13 inches by 48. So yeah, that's great. But I want to see how long it is on my table. And if it doesn't go end to end, I think I'm going to use this on my coffee table in my living room. But I will find a place for this. But I loved the little tassels and I like the lace look. I thought that was really classy. And even though it's marked for Christmas because that's what the red is, and it even says holiday style, because it doesn't have a color and it's just lacy, I could use this for any time of the year. So I love that too. I love things that I can DIY after the season to make it all year, or something that was out for a specific season, but it's totally usable throughout any season. So I really, really liked that. And then the one fall thing that I did pick up was another pumpkin. I don't need another pumpkin to save my life, but I really like this one. It has like sequins on it, and I'm telling, like, I think you guys can kind of see it here, like when that light hits it, like this thing sparkles. It is so pretty. But I have a reason I picked this up, but I'm not going to share it with you. You'll have to keep watching the videos to see where I use this, but it's for a specific reason. But those are the 3 things that I ended up with at the Dollar General. I am excited to go back though and see more of their Christmas decor because it looked really, really nice. So in my last Dollar Tree haul, I mentioned, and I even put up a pic, and if I still have it, I'll throw it up. I'm not sure if I do or not. I was looking for the Dollar Tree fall plates, not the ones with the leaves, but the ones with the white and like teal blue pumpkins on it. And I have gone to so many Dollar Trees and I can't find the big plates. but I keep seeing the little plates. So I kept passing up the little plates because my heart's desire was to have the big plates with white bowls or white saucers, you know, because I really, really liked the big plates because the design was kind of like on the outside and there was nothing in the center, but all I kept finding was the little plates. So I have a collab coming up and I need these plates for the collab. So I just was like, just bite the bullet and just do something, Missy. So I ended up getting the little plates. You watch, after my collab is over, I'll see these stinking plates everywhere. For now, I can't find them. So what I did was I picked up the small, I don't know what these are called, coffee plates. What do they call these? They have a certain name. I don't know, it's a saucer of some kind. I didn't like the gather. I didn't like the writing on the plate. That's why I liked the bigger one better. But it is very pretty and it is my colors. So what I did was Dollar Tree put these out for Christmas. And I got stuff all over. And somebody's dog is not happy. And I thought these were pretty cool because they're not a square, but they're like square, you know. And I thought this together was pretty. So instead of having the design on the big plate in a white saucer, I did the opposite. And then to add more of this color and design, I picked up glasses. So I don't have the full set sitting here. I have them actually in the sink, gonna be washed. So I got 4 of each. I got 4 cups, 4 little saucers, and 4 plates. So it's not what I wanted, but it is a really pretty set, and I love the colors. I love this like teal blue with the orange, and the big plates of this, they are gorgeous. The design was all on the outside, and they had mostly these pumpkins. See this like teal blue pumpkin and the white? They were like all on the outside. That's what I really liked, and there was no writing on it. But Dollar Tree is hit and miss. And then I was worried that if I didn't pick up the little ones, the next time I went hunting for the big ones, the little ones wouldn't be there, and then I would really be kicking my butt. So I should just know better. So I just picked them up. I'm just going to make do with what I have. So that's what I have. So what I also picked up was, my Dollar Tree doesn't do bags anymore, so everything's in this little yellow lemon. I picked up more of these. I did haul these another time because, but I don't know how I feel about it. But I bought more because I love this print. But I don't know if it's just, I don't know if it's too much. So what do you guys think? Do you think that's too much? Like, I don't know. I just don't know if I like that. You might be surprised in my Thanksgiving tablescape video. I might change these out, but I did pick up 2 more, which is no big deal because I love this print for Christmas. If I don't use them for Thanksgiving, I will definitely use these for Christmas, but I'm just not sure I think it's too much. I think it's too many prints, too many things going on, so I gotta find something for this. But, oh, I threw the pine cones in here. So, because I'm doing a Thanksgiving tablescape, I went out into my backyard and I found the most amazing, look at the size of these. I picked all of these up off the ground, so I got them for free. I know you can get pine cones from the Dollar Tree, but you can get them for free. So I have a ton of them, and they're all throughout my bag. I threw them in here to carry them in. So anyways, I got these. Let me see if I can find the other one. Here it is. Okay. So I got these LED lights. They are in the, I'll take them out for you. They're in the leaves. I told myself I wasn't going to buy no more fall stuff, and here I am buying a whole bunch of fall stuff. But they're in the leaves. They're really, really pretty. I think there's 10 of them. Yeah, there's 10 lights. So I got 2 packs. 2 packs for my tablescape. And the batteries are not included in case like you're kind of new to Dollar Tree. But you can get batteries at the Dollar Tree. And these take 2 AA. So I got 2 packs of these. And then I have garland. I didn't haul from the Dollar Tree. I have garland somewhere else. but my garland is a little older and it's kind of flat looking to me. So I was lucky because my Dollar Trees are like switching out all the fall. They're leaving a few Halloween things up because Halloween hasn't hit yet, but they're really taking out all of the fall to make room for all the new Christmas things that are coming in. So I was really lucky to find fall ribbon. But this ribbon is gorgeous. I should open this for you guys so that you can see it. So my thought is so that I can use this garland. Oh, I might need scissors. To use this garland that I want and to make it look more fuller. I think I'll just leave it in here. You guys can see it. But I love this plaid. It's really pretty. And it has the oranges and the browns and the red. It's very neutral with that gold. And I just figured I would spruce up the garland with the ribbon and the lights so that it would be a lit garland and it would have this beautiful ribbon through it. And it is the kind of ribbon that has the wire through it, so it'll be easy to like maneuver the way I want it to look on the table. So I picked that up. Oh, I know what else I did too. I can't see everything in my bag at the moment because there's so many pine cones. But I bought this mesh. So what I thought was, and the mesh is like, you know, it's not white. It's like an off-white, and it has some brown flecks in it and gold. So I thought these married very well. So what I'll probably do is lay a long strip of this out, lay this on top of it, and then twist it through the garland so that it looks chunky with the lights. I hope I'm making sense, but in my mind it works. The day I go to do this, we'll see. But I got more stuff. Lots more pine cones. Then I found this. I was super happy to see this. These napkins are gorgeous. I wish they would have had the paper plates because I know they have a whole paper plate set to this. Because I would have bought probably this white plate and the paper plate set that goes with these napkins to put on top instead of that dish that says gather. But like I said, they're really taking out all of the fall stuff to make room for the Christmas. So, and I never saw this either. This is the only piece from the paper plate set for Thanksgiving that I saw. But these napkins are everything because you got that orange and that blue teal color. They're just beautiful. I just love them. So like with this set, I mean, it's really, really pretty. So I did get these napkins. And then I think I got 2 or 3 of these. I thought these were adorable. I love mushrooms. Like I love mushrooms. So when I saw these cute little like blue teal mushrooms, I was like, yeah. I'm actually going to open this because I want to see what they're like. I think they're just foam, but I want to see what they're like. They're foam. But look how stinking cute. And they have the little speckles on them. They're so cute. I just hope they probably won't stand, but they'll be so cute to like lay out through the garland because I think that's very fall, and it'll definitely pick up my that teal blue color that I want to put in here. I think I got 2 or 3 packs of these, but these are so cute. I didn't see these earlier. And then I also picked up, oh yeah, here was the other pack. I got 2 packs of those. So I thought those were super cute. Then I saw these, and I had never seen these before from the Dollar Tree. So they are like the votives. Is that what they're calling these? I don't know what they're calling them, but I call them like the candle votives. And they're in the, you know, like they're not real cast iron, but they look cast iron. And they had them in different sizes. So they had the tall and then the shorter ones. So I picked 3 of these up as well for part of my tablescape. And then when I was there, I made sure I bought candles. And funny enough, these candles, the emergency ones that they put out, the 5-hour emergency candles, they actually fit perfect in here. And you get 6 of these for $1.25. When you buy the decorative candles, you get 2 for $1.25. And look, they fit. Well, Yeah, they fit in here. They did at the store. Yeah, they fit in here. So I thought they were great. So, and there's hacks to these too. Like if you get a votive and your candle doesn't necessarily like fit, but it does fit in here. You take clear packaging tape and you wrap the bottom of it to make it thicker, and it'll stick in there just good. So it's just a little tip. Like if you want candles for these kinds of things and they don't fit from the Dollar Tree, just wrap tape on the bottom until it's fat enough for it to fit straight up in your thing. And like I said, 2 decorative candles from the Dollar Tree are $1.25, but you get 5 of these, 6 of these for $1.25. So I thought that was a much better deal. And if they don't sit perfect, I'll do my hack. I'll just take tape and make them perfect. And then I think the last thing I picked up, besides tons of pine cones, are these. Now I hauled these before, but I picked them up again because the other ones I used in my journaling. But I thought these would be super, super cute to clip on my napkins. So when I do, like, I'm going to make like a DIY. So I'll show you, like I'm saving this paper roll, and I'm going to cut this paper roll up into sections, and that'll be my ring holder for my napkins. And then I'm either going to clip this on because they're clothespins. I'm either going to clip these on, like the top portion, or I'll deconstruct it and glue this wooden pumpkin on the front of this to make it look folly and cute for my napkin holders to set on my plate. So that's for a DIY. So that's it, guys. That's all I got besides a ton of besides a ton of pine cones. From the Dollar Tree and the Dollar General. I popped in real quick and just picked up these few things. I thought I'd share with you so that you guys can get a preview of some of the things that I picked up for my upcoming collab. We are doing a Thanksgiving tablescape, myself and the Bumblebee Farmhouse, Angie. So I'm really excited. That's going to be coming out on October 27th. So I can't wait to share that with you. But I wanted to share these things with you so that when you see my final tablescape, that you really can do pretty things for the holidays from cheaper decor and DIYs and make a beautiful tablescape for the holidays. So that's really what that gets my juices going. I like doing thrifting or going to the Dollar Tree or things like that and making DIYs and doing cheaper things and making it beautiful. So, and then I go on Pinterest and I get a whole bunch of ideas and then I try to recreate them for cheaper. So that's what I like to do. So I'm really excited to share this Thanksgiving tablescape with you guys. But I wanted to show you all the things that I hauled from the Dollar Tree to do it so that you could see beforehand what I'm going to be using. So, but I don't have everything, so there's still going to be surprises for that video. And I really, really do think I need to get a different charger. I just don't think this is going to work. I think it's too much print. So, but anyways, I'm rambling on and on and on. So thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoy this and you're looking forward to tablescapes and decor and decorating and cleaning and Christmas shopping with me and all of that stuff, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you as a lovey in the lovey tribe. Check out my merch down below and all of my links. I'm on all kinds of social media, and I would love to get to know you better. And for all my returning lovies, girl, you know I love you. I'll be talking to you guys soon in another video. Until then, take care of you. Know I love you, but Jesus loves you so much more. And until then, bye guys.